We're gonna surprise Mommy, aren't we? Mom doesn't know that we're in Jacksonville. Okay, shh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, and you need to hold Snippy, okay, so she doesn't bark or anything, right?
Okay.
Well,
Come here.
look here.
Stimpy. Stimpy. Hey. Hey, girl. Okay. Getting ready to surprise Mom. She doesn't know that we're in Jacksonville. There they are, I just saw them. Okay. Mom and Chris's parents.
Lisa,
Yeah.
you know what you should do? You have to go in the room.
Okay.
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
I just saw them walk out.
Where?
Out in front of the house.
Oh, I see. Yeah, shut the door. I'll tell her we're kidding.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna surprise Mom. She doesn't know that we're in Jacksonville. Okay. Get ready, girl. Hey, what's over here? Okay. We are getting ready to surprise my mom. She doesn't know that we're in Jacksonville and that we're going to be leaving Stimpy with her for a month and a half. Okay, they're here. Mom doesn't know we're in Jacksonville. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Quiet, 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 girl. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Quiet, quiet, girl.
Why is it in the bedroom then? Why? Oh my god!
What are you doing here?